Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I was out here cleaning the coop and feeding the chickens, and I got on the inside, and lo and behold, we have eggs, guys. Let me show you. So I was in here cleaning the coop out, and now this one right here is a ceramic egg, and you can see the difference between the two as far as the size. Yeah. So we have eggs, everyone. So we have fresh eggs. I'm so excited because I've been feeding these lovely birds for almost 6 months, and I was just telling my wife, I wonder when these ladies are going to give us some eggs. So we're super excited. So, hey, y'all better get ready because, these eggs, these are for sale. So we got 6 so far. They're supposed to lay 1 or 2 eggs a day. So we're excited about that. But I'm going to go ahead on and put these eggs in a carton. I am so excited. We finally got some eggs from these birds that I've been feeding and watering for months. So everybody who's been supporting us, guys, we really appreciate the support. Let me turn the camera around one time. So these are our first eggs. We are so thankful. But again, we appreciate everybody who has been supporting us, who has been checking in on us, praying for us. Everything that you have been doing, we surely do appreciate it. And if you haven't already done so, please go on over to our YouTube channel, Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keesa. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, while I'm out here, let me go ahead and turn the camera around and show you our fall crops for some who haven't seen. This is right here. Hey, Sandra, appreciate you watching. Yeah, we got eggs. So we've got purple kale. We've got some more kale out here. This is cabbage. Over here is our leaf lettuce. Over here is our beets. And let me get out of the shade. This right here, this is carrots. So we will be getting a winter harvest. Now the carrots, let me turn my camera around. Now the carrots they won't be available until the spring. We're going to keep those babies in the ground because what I found is the longer you keep them in the soil, the sweeter they're going to get. So we're going to test that out. But again, thanks everyone who has been supporting us. And yes, we have eggs. All right, we'll see you in the next video.